Hey guys, so we left New York on Thursday, had a camp on the way, and now spend the night in Ramblewood campsite here in Pittsburgh. This is right before when the trail starts. The trail maybe a couple of miles down starts there, but I need to go back to fill up the gas in a gas station. But look at this view. You see this right from the camp, from this camp site. It's right here. That is the sign right there. Yep. Beautiful fall colors, nice lake. Yeah, so if you want to do this trail, it's good to come here, spend the night in this campground, and then hit the trail, because like I said, it's just a couple of miles down the road, and then you hit the trail. All right, I'm gonna fill up the gas and then start the trail. Yeah, so this is the gas station. You know, when they say we sell generally everything, that's literally you go in there, make sure you fill up your gas tanks and come wherever you want. Like I said, it's going to be 5 miles from this point on, going north on the one route 3. So that's what we're doing. Okay, check this view. So you know, the trail starts about 15 miles down this route 3 where the border begins with Canada. But actually you don't have to go all the way down to begin the trail, because it will make you come this way anyways. So you could just start from this road, McGalloway road, and then this is the beginning of the trail. So this is where we're gonna go. So on the trail, as you enter the Garfield Falls road, rather, drive for about maybe 10 miles. This is the first waypoint. It's a very nice fall, you know, down this trail, about 10-minute walk. It's called the Garfield Falls. Very nice. Highly recommend it to have a stop. They have a bathroom here that you could use. If you want to use it, this area for lunch, you could use it. But definitely highly recommend to go down this trail and view the falls, take some pictures. It's awesome. Hey guys, as you were enjoying the beautiful fall colors, I thought I'd hop on and give you some details about this off-road trail. Basically, this is the Trans New Hampshire trail that you can purchase, and I'll put the link in the description. This is supposed to be a 3-day trail. I've done the 3rd day of this a couple of years ago, and this year I decided to do day 1 and day 2, for which you have to go all the way to the border with Canada and start from there. To be honest, the only trail or off-road trail here is about 40 miles dirt road, as you see. Other than that, it's all paved driving on the pavements and regular roads. However, because we went during fall, it was beautiful. So it was a lot of good sceneries, and there's some waypoints and stuff like that. It's good if you like driving and if you're not with family, or if you don't mind driving and stopping. The 2-day was almost 4 days for us. But if you're specifically going for the off-road of it, I think day 3 has the most off-road trail, not day 1, not day 2. Basically in day 1 and day 2, like I said, this is the only section of off-road. There's another section that you can't really call it off-road because it's just a few miles of similar dirt road that comes at the end of day 2. But like I said, we loved it, even though there was not a lot of off-roading. But just because of the fall colors and the waypoints and the scenery, we just enjoy the driving. So if that is something you are looking for, I highly recommend it. But if you're looking for off-road trails, day 1 and day 2 is going to be disappointing. The day 3 has the most off-roading, and actually if you go back and check my video that I did a couple of years ago, I did it with stock Rubicon Jeep, so you can definitely do it in any stock 4x4. But it's good to have your recovery gear with you. This is where we're entering Maine now from New Hampshire, following basically the same trail.